mga chika test. Ngayon po tayo maglalaro ng kinetic sand. Tagal ko nang di mag-video. Shorts lang. Kunti lang natin lalaro ngayon kasi matigas na. Diba nga satisfying? Go tayo ng castle. Dagdagan pa natin para naman ng konting pwede gamitin eh. Gusto niyo lahat ko. Guys, gagawin ko kung anong sabi ng first comment. Loving like this is hard to come. So may sasabi. Ano ako ng sound ni Sugar High. Hindi naman niya na kinoment, kaya didelete ko yun mamaya pag hindi niya pag hindi niya kinoment. Satisfying. So satisfying. I miss my cousin Kuya Yohan at si Abby. They will be back in 2 years. They are now in New Zealand. I don't know where address. You don't need to know how old I am. And also guess my age. Put it on the comments. Yeah, 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 yeah. I hope it's romantic up the line, surrounded by couples all the time. I guess I could take it as a sign. I'm feeling lonely. Oh, I wish I have a lover that could hold me. Look. Ayoko na guys. Pero thank you for watching. Bye!